guys, it's Cassie. My daughter is with me today, Serena.
Hello.
It's her special day. She turns 21 today. We're excited. And so we're having a mother-daughter makeup session. And she stole my mirror. So how am I supposed to do my makeup?
You gotta wing it, I guess.
Pun intended.
So, should I do smoky or a halo?
Oh, let's do halo.
Yeah?
Halo.
I haven't done a halo in so long.
She's using the Conspiracy palette. Conspiracy. I'm going to try to match what you do, but in Sweet Mineral.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have anything that matches what I'm wearing.
I bet I do. I have like a burgundy.
That's
Oh, so we're going to end up switching. You're going to end up doing my Sweet Minerals, and I'm going to end up doing Conspiracy. She's going to plan on doing like this color, not a fact, and maybe mix it with Flaming Hot. She may or may not do black. Oh, she's doing this shimmer here, which is called Just a Theory. So I'm going to do Cherry Cordial.
Cordial. Yeah,
Cordial.
I think so.
And Cotton Candy.
Can you see the shine?
No, she's thinking brown. Okay, so now she's doing brown. That's a dookie brown.
I think I have a color. I think that would be pretty instead of brown.
Yeah, but that's not brown.
No, I'm still going to use the brown.
Oh, good lord. Okay, well, I'm doing brown.
Yes. For halos, isn't it lighter in the center?
Yeah. 10 minutes later.
I'm doing Diet Root Beer, Tanacon, and my ride is here.
It sounds like a drink.
On my mini controversy Shane Dawson Jeffree Star palette, I'm going to do My Apology.
I'm doing a lot. I'm doing Beantown. Sounds like I'm going to be constipated. Cotton Candy. I'm just doing 2 colors because I ain't as complicated as you. You all kinds of complicated. I'm just easy peasy.
I have a...
I'm going to take my Dookie Brown. It is called Beantown. And I don't know if you guys know anything about Halo. Halo. Oh my god.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
I looked away for 1 second.
I didn't prime my face. I do want to take my Argan Oil, put on my lips because my lips are like dry.
I did that earlier.
You already going. I ain't even started.
Sure am. I'm putting Diet Root Beer outer corner, inner corner, and then I'm going to bring it up into my crease.
A primer and moisturizer in one. It's like doing. See, I told you I'm lazy.
So I'm basically doing my whole eyelid minus the very middle part.
Okay, I think I'm finally ready. I always start with my eyes first. Do you have a hooded eye? Mine's not as much as mine. I'm going to go above my crease. And then I'm going to do the inner corner and leaving the center open.
Yours is so much darker than mine.
It is so pigmented, yeah.
Yeah, yours is very, very pigmented. No.
Oh, now you want a blending brush. You didn't want one a while ago.
I need one now. Don't know what that was. Now, I'm taking Tanacon and blending out the Diet Root Beer. Wow, you look beautiful.
Sexy, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to take my right here, that black, and put it on the outer corners.
Ooh,
Try to get it as dark as you
you going dark. Wow. I'm going to take that pretty cotton candy. Just kidding. I'm going to put it in the center. And now I'm just taking a blending brush and just blending out this brown. Very nice on the blend. You did it on your mama. You don't need foundation. You have such great skin.
go.
I have to do foundation. I have to do a full face. I don't have young, beautiful skin like you do. I'm going to use Sweet Minerals Flawless. It is natural, y'all.
It got in my hair. Is that on your shirt? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Look, we ain't got time for a phone call.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, baby. What are you doing?
I'm working. How you doing?
Working.
You don't sound convincing.
Technically, it's work.
You busy today?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just calling to say, hey, I called you earlier, texted you,
Sorry, I missed it.
Just totally ignoring me.
Yeah.
I see how you are.
I'm sorry. I love you.
Raina's still there?
Yes.
What's she gonna do for her birthday today?
I don't know.
It's just a surprise.
The best kind of prize is a surprise.
No, always. Don't worry too hard now.
Okay, deal.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Wow, this is super pigmented.
Yeah, it's pretty. Tarte concealer. A little bit right here. A little bit right.
I'm gonna use Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink in Pioneer.
I think they're gorgeous. You have the prettiest lips.
Thank you. I get it from them.
Gorgeous.
I love watching you put on makeup.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I don't know why I just do. So satisfying.
Now you picked out which blush?
Big Apple.
I'm gonna use Big Apple. Because I have oily skin. I'm gonna do the veil on top.
I have dry skin, which is also why I don't like using foundation.
So I'm gonna do Wild Mulberry KissFX by Sweet Minerals. This one lasts a long time, like through eating and stuff, but if you drink, it breaks it down a little bit. But the thing about this one that I like is it doesn't dry your lips out. It's very moisturizing, like it has argan oil in it, coconut oil, and I think that's why.
Mine's not that dry either for liquid lip. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I think it turned out pretty.
Did you do mascara?
Mm-hmm. I don't have lashes though.
Yes, you do. You got beautiful lashes.
Why are you lying?
I ain't lying. I don't see
She's
it.
lying. You see lashes? No.
Okay, I think we're done.
Think so?
Cheese!